Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I got this Express Cage ICY DOCK 6x 2.5 inch drive hot swappable cage. This is incredible. I already have 3 of these in servers, and now we're going to be installing this in a desktop. We're just going to do a quick unboxing of this. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. This thing is amazing. I love it. That's why I got a 4th one. And it's relatively inexpensive. Okay, that is it. 6 drives and 1 5¼ inch bay. Perfect for servers. This is like absolutely great. However, if you're a desktop user like myself and like to have hot swappable solid state drives in your computer, and this is the way to go. If you can't afford the M.2 NVMe drives and you only want to do solid state, this is great because then you don't have to take your computer apart every time you need to swap out a drive or do something with it. It's simply, you press a little button here and you slide the tray out. It's simple as that. This is a must-have product, folks, must-have. It does have cooling fans in the back. There is a fan control in the back, auto, high, and low. So you can choose the fan speed as you wish. However, I'm sure a lot of people like to have quiet systems. If you're using solid state drives, this will never go on unless the case is kind of hot. I would set it for auto and forget it, and these fans would kick on whenever they need it. There are 2 power connectors on the back, and then 3 connectors for the solid state drives over here, and well, 2.5 inch drives, so it doesn't have to be solid state. So you can fill it up with 5 of these babies, and you'll be done, type of thing. So you can do setup RAID 1, RAID 0, any type of RAID configuration you want. This supports that. Obviously it's a motherboard, but if you wanted to use this and for that purpose, you can. I'm a firm believer of things like this to stay out of your case as much as you can so you don't disturb any wires. It's simply a slide the hard drive out, slide it in. It's amazing. I love these things. These are true activity lights that just don't go on and off like the external hard drives. They actually blink for activity. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. This is just, there's nothing more I can say. It's just an amazing product, and I support it 100%. I mean, I back it. So that's great. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.